In this video, we can learn how to install the Windows Server 2022 in VMware Workstation. For that, just open the VMware Workstation. Okay. In that, click on Create a new virtual machine. Just select a typical and click on Next. Here, just select I will install the operating system later. Click on Next. Here you can select the guest operating system. In our case, it's Microsoft Windows. Here you can select the version. Here now it shows up to Windows Server 2019. Anyway, you can select that. We are going to install Windows Server 2022. Anyway, you can select this Windows Server 2019. That's fine. Click on Next. Here we need to give the virtual machine name. It's just a label like this. Okay, to identify which virtual machine is this. Here I would like to give Windows Server 2022. In front of that I am giving just a 01 to identify this easily. By default, it's installing to the C drive. If you need, you can select any other file, any other location. I am just leaving it as default. Click on Next. Here you need to select just a 60 GB and split virtual disk into multiple files. Click on Next. Here you need to select a customize hardware. You can do the customization of hardware here. Here I would like to change the hardware size to the memory size to 4 GB. Okay. The network adapter option to host only now. Okay. Just click close. Just click on finish. Now we just created a virtual machine. In this virtual machine, we need to install the guest operating system, that is Windows Server 2022. For that, we should have an ISO image. Here we need to insert the link the DVD ISO image. For that, just click on here and browse that ISO image file already downloaded. Click on use ISO image file. Click on browse. Click on downloads. Just select the ISO image that we downloaded. Just open. Just click on OK. Now we can just start the virtual machine. So click on power on this virtual machine. Click on enter. Just click on next. Install now. Here you need to select the operating system. In our case, I would like to install Windows Server 2022 Data Center Evaluation. That's a GUI. In this case, I am selecting this one and click on next. I accept the license terms. Click on next. Custom. Click on next. It will be restarted within few seconds. Or you can just click on here restart now. Here we need to give a password for the user administrator. That's I would like to give admin at 123. Admin at 123. Likewise, you can give a complex password. Here you can see that press Ctrl Alt Delete to unlock. Instead of delete, you need to press insert key here, or you can just click on here and just give the password that we just given, that's admin@123. Okay, just closing this and just select on, click on local server. Then you can see that it's the operating system version Microsoft Windows Server 2022 data center evaluation. Okay, we need to just put this PC icon here. For that, just right click on desktop and select personalize, then select themes, then scroll down. Here you can see the desktop icon settings. Here you need to select the icons that you need. Now I'm just selecting computer, click on apply, OK, just closing this. Now we need to just double click on this one, and then you can see that our DVD image link that's shown here. We need to eject that first. Okay. Now you can see that here have some resolution problem with my current computer screen. To solve that one, I need to install the VMware tools. First you need to eject the DVD images shown here. I already eject that, and then click on install VMware tools. Okay, now just right click on it and select install or run program from your media. Just click on next, typical, next, install. Click on finish. You must restart this virtual machine. Click on yes. Now press Ctrl Alt Delete. Instead of that, we need to press Ctrl Alt Insert key and just type our password. Okay, now we are in our Windows Server 2022 server, and here you can see the server manager dashboard. Okay, if you close this and if you right click on this PC and then select a properties, then you can see that is edition Windows Server 2022 data center evaluation. Okay, likewise you can create a virtual machine in VMware Workstation, and you can install the Windows Server OS in that virtual machines, and you can use it for your study purpose. Thanks for watching.